It's yeah.
Okay, we're losing our mic. Switching mics again. You
I like the cooking streams too.
Yeah, Duder likes the cooking streams too. I like the cooking streams too. I mean, this time around, I feel like my cooking streams are doing a lot better than they have in the past because
Because of the producer.
yeah, because of the producer. I mean, the producer does genuinely help. It's also, this kitchen is much better for streaming cooking than when I was back home. And you know, that's a bonus, is that this kitchen is better. Yeah. Oh, wrong way. I seem way more chill as well. Yeah, I mean, part of that too, part of me seeming more chill is I mean, before the first time when I was streaming, I was just like excited and really wanted to like do very well streaming and make my stream really good and be very much a people pleaser. And I've kind of removed that aspect of my stream. This is much more for me personally than for other people. So yeah, at 1420. Thanks, Tutor. And so that's why I have like donations turned off and that kind of stuff, because I used to take donations before, and now not having it is much less stressful, and I just don't care as much. And there's less comparing one stream to another, because, you know, it ends up causing a lot of stress, and you just, I don't know. Wow, nurse doesn't give a fuck. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, if you got any donations, you wouldn't qualify for unemployment. That might be true. If I got more than $500, I'd have to count it as income. But yeah, so I don't know. It's a variety of factors for why like I'm more relaxed this time around. Also, I've been around the block. Like, I don't know.
I'm here.
Huh?
And I'm here.
Yeah, and Duder's here. And it is really nice because when chat's, well, I mean, not only because I love his shining face, but when chat's kind of slow, it does help to have like a real live person that I can kind of like talk to a little bit, because chat being slow does make it hard to like just keep talking to an empty room, essentially. Quick, nobody donate. So
Doing
yeah.
my part.
Yeah, so Duder being here is also really nice. And the fact that he can, like, sit there and change the cameras and do all that stuff and fix the mic when the mic's being stupid, like, makes things so much better. Because having to, like, both try and be entertaining and shiny face, you saying you're shining. Having to try and do both while like entertaining people can be really difficult. Like, it definitely is straining. So now all I have to do is focus on being cute and happy and cook food. That's all I have to do, and Duder can worry about all the other shit. Valeris, thank you for the follow. Welcome. If I were a turkey, it'd be a butterball quality. Aww.
Is that good quality?
I don't know.
Okay. I didn't know. I thought it might be good quality. It's brand name.
It's brand name. Butterball's brand. You know, you don't want to be a no Foster Farms turkey.
No, I do not. Or Tyson.
Or Tyson. Yeah, no. I mean, those turkeys got some muscle.
So I feel like if we're going to go through a pack of batteries a day,
we might need to figure something else out.
there's
Or-
rechargeable.
Yeah, we might need to. Oh, that would be good.
Or rechargeable batteries.
Yeah, rechargeable batteries. Yeah, we go through a lot of batteries now. Is this homemade pie? Yes, I made it. Not today. I made it the other day. You missed. I made dinner. Sorry, Valeris. I cooked a full dinner. But we have pie left over from the other day. We have half the pie left. Half the pie. So we're working our way through this pie. It's a Kin's paste pie called pasta frolla. Now, Fillmore, to be fair, I make some delicious drinks.
Where's the normal pen?
And I have helped Duder make very delicious drinks.
Dude, just told me right now. Make that one better.
And part of this is that Duder loves to just kind of put 27 different things.
No, I can.
He likes to put he likes to put everything possible into a damn drink. And I'm like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Like, I see how that could be interesting. But what if?
Yeah, I've gotten a lot better.
What if? He has gotten a lot better about it.
This drink was pretty easy.
Yeah, this drink was pretty easy. Competition.
Maybe another day.
How long did it take me to make the pie? Fascinated by the pie,
An hour.
and you're planning to have a lot of questions about it. Yeah, I'd say, I mean, to make the dough, it took about 10 minutes, and then I had to chill for 30 minutes, and then it took like another 10 minutes to make the filling, and then,
Took an hour, I don't know.
yeah, and then it takes like 45 minutes to cook, and like another 10 minutes to roll it out and fill it. So, I don't know. I would say like total time was probably closer to 2 hours, including bake time and for the dough to chill. I like something simple like beer and beer. Definitely don't love yourself to make a 2-hour pie. If 45 minutes is it just cooking in the oven. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I don't cook pie unless it's, you know,
You said that it was like a teaspoon of matcha?
less than a teaspoon. Way less than a teaspoon. It was like
Quarter teaspoon?
like a quarter teaspoon, yeah, maybe. Banoffee pie is great. Mio Vendetta, this is true. I also enjoy banoffee pie. I'm down with the banoffee pie. I also like just a plain old banana cream pie. Man, banana cream pie, it's good. Harry and Ann. Yeah, the music's great. Wanna be used by you.
Show me. You haven't had banana cream pie? With Nilla wafers?
I need to get some gluten-free Nilla wafers and we can make it.
What are we calling this?
Uh,
There's sake italicus, so it's Japanese, Italian. It's got gin, London dry gin, matcha from Japan, honey syrup from Los Angeles.
how about tea of two cities?
I like that.
Yeah, Tokyo and London. Yeah. Dr. Chocula, hello. Welcome. Hello.